Welcome to God Will's Talent Hub, where talent meets opportunity. Discover your potential, ignite your passion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Godwin's Talent Hub. This is Satish, and today we are diving into one of the most fundamental concepts in mathematics, factors. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will see factors everywhere in your daily life, and you will wonder how you ever lived without truly understanding them. So if you're ready to master factors, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a factor? Simply put, a factor is a whole number that divides another number exactly, meaning there is no remainder left over. Think of it like slicing a pizza into equal pieces. If you can divide it perfectly with nothing left over, you have found a factor. Here are 4 key things to remember about factors. First one, factors are found by division, not multiplication. Second, every number has a limited number of factors. They are not infinite. And third one, number 1 is always a factor of every number. Why? Because any number divided by 1 equals itself. And the fourth one, factors are super useful for things like finding the HCF, simplifying fractions, and prime factorization. All these things we will explore in our future videos. Let's see factors in action with a real example. Let's find all the factors of 12. Ready? We ask ourselves, what number divides 12 exactly? 12 divided by 1 gives 12. 12 divided by 2 gives 6. 12 divided by 3 gives 4. 12 divided by 4 gives 3. What about 5? 12 divided by 5? Does it give us the exact number without leaving a remainder? Absolutely not. Same goes with 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. But whereas when 12 divided by 6, it gives you exactly 2 without leaving any remainder. And 12 divided by 12 also gives you 1 without leaving any remainder. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and the number itself, which is 12. That's just 6 factors in total. See what I meant about factors being limited? But here is something really cool. Notice how factors come in pairs. This is where it gets interesting. Factors always come in pairs that multiply together to give you the original number. For the number 24, watch this. 1 times 24, 24. 2 times 12, 24. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 6, 24. See the pattern? Every factor has a partner that it multiplies with to give you the 24. This is actually a life hack for finding factors faster. Once you find one factor, you automatically know its pair. If 3 divides 24, then 24 divided by 3 is 8. So both 3 and 8 are factors. You only need to check up to the square root of a number, because after that, you are just finding the pairs which you have already discovered. How to find factors? Now let me give you my foolproof 4-step method for finding all factors of any number. Always start with 1. Remember, 1 is a factor of every number. Test division starting from 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. Try dividing your number by each of these. Check if there is a remainder. If the remainder is 0, you have found a factor. Here is the time saver. you can stop at the square root of the number. Why? Because beyond that point, you are just rediscovering the factor pairs you already found. Let's practice this with 30. 30 divided by 1 gives you 30. 30 divided by 2 gives you 15. 30 divided by 3 gives you 10. 30 divided by 5 gives you 6. And counting this way, we get 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. That's 8 factors. Now, here is a concept that's super useful. Common factors. Common factors are the numbers that are factors of 2 or more numbers at the same time. Think of them as the factors that numbers have in common, like shared interest between friends. Let's look at 12 and 18. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Which factors do they both have? 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors. And notice that 6 is the largest common factor. So we call this the HCF, or the highest common factor. And this is incredibly useful when simplifying fractions or solving real-world problems. Quick important distinction: don't confuse factors with multiples. They are exactly the opposites. Factors divide into the number and they are limited in quantity and they are less than or equal to the number. Example, like factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. When it comes to multiples, the number divides into them. They are unlimited. They go on forever. They are greater than or equal to the number. Example, multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and it goes on. Think of it this way. Factors divide in and the multiples spread out. Before we wrap up, here are the golden rules of factors you must remember. Every number is a factor of itself. The number 1 is a factor of all the numbers. All factors are less than or equal to the number. Every number has a finite set of factors. Prime numbers have exactly 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. The number 1 is special. It only has one factor, that is itself. These rules will save you so much time when solving the problems. And there you have it, everyone. You now understood factors inside and out. To recap quickly, factors divide numbers evenly. They are found by division. They come in pairs. They are limited in number. And they are super useful for HCF, fractions, and so much more. Understanding factors is absolutely essential for mastering math. Whether you're simplifying fractions, finding common denominators, or working with prime factorization. Here is your homework. Find all the factors of 36 and leave them in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right first. If this video helped you understand factors better, smash that like button, share it with your classmates, and subscribe to Godwill's Talent Hub for more amazing math content. I'm Satish, and I'll see you in the next video where we will explore many more things about mathematics. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, math is everywhere.